You're at one of those fancy dinner parties surrounded by successful professionals. The conversation turns to investments, and suddenly, everyone's talking about their latest real estate conquest. They're throwing around terms like passive income and financial freedom. You nod along, but inside you're thinking, am I missing something here? Well, you might just be dodging a bullet without even knowing it. Today, we're taking a closer look into the world of real estate investment. And you may be surprised to learn that it's not all skyline views and automatic monthly rent checks. Let's say you've just bought your first investment property. The previous owner assured you it was a gold mine, and having done your homework, there seems to be a ready pool of willing tenants. So you're already planning how to spend that sweet, sweet passive income. But fast forward 6 months, and you're knee-deep in tenant complaints, unexpected repairs, and a mountain of paperwork. Welcome to the not-so-glamorous world of real estate investing. Now, don't get me wrong, real estate can be a powerful tool for building wealth, and many of the world's ultra-rich built their fortunes on it. But here's the truth. It's about as passive as trying to herd a bunch of cats. Let's break down why this passive investment might just become your new full-time job. First up is property acquisition. You thought house hunting for yourself was tough? Try finding an investment property that won't bleed your bank account dry. You'll need to become a part-time detective, investigating everything from local market trends to the building's plumbing and wiring history. And let's not forget the joys of negotiation and paperwork. Once you've acquired your investment property, the real fun begins. That charming couple who seemed perfect during the tenant screening? Well, now they're 3 months behind on rent, and you're facing the delightful task of potential eviction. Suddenly, you're not just a property owner, you're a debt collector, a mediator, and possibly even a courtroom regular. And let's talk about maintenance. That leaky faucet your tenant mentioned? It's now a low-key flood, and guess who's getting the 3 a.m. phone call? That's right, it's you, the proud owner of a passive investment. Hope you didn't have any plans this weekend, because you'll be spending it interviewing plumbers and comparing quotes. Now, I know what you're thinking. I'll just hire a property management company and be done with it. Not so fast, though. While this can certainly ease some of the burden, it comes with its own set of challenges. For one, it'll take a bite out of your profits. And two, you'll still need to manage the managers. After all, it's your money on the line. But the real issue for many is the emotional toll. Dealing with tenants isn't just about collecting rent. It's about navigating human relationships, often in high-stress situations. One day you're playing mediator in a neighbor dispute. The next, you're trying to explain to a family why you need to raise the rent to keep up with inflation. It's not just your time and money on the line, it's your peace of mind. So, what's the alternative? Well, if you're dead set on real estate, consider more hands-off options like REITs or real estate crowdfunding platforms. These can give you exposure to the real estate market without the 3 a.m. plumbing emergencies. REITs can give you access to non-residential properties as well, which you probably wouldn't be able to afford as an individual landlord. Things like shopping malls, warehouses, and shop houses can now be part of your portfolio. Having said all that, there are worse things than becoming an accidental landlord. And there are some investments that the savvy rich wouldn't touch with a 10-foot pole. So check out this video next on 9 things that the wealthy never invest in.